Oh damn, what's wrong with this TV? It's been working perfectly till now. Anyway, I should call a technician. Hello, is this Top Tech Electronics?
What is the problem?
I think there's something wrong with my TV. It's not working properly. Can you take a look? Ha! It's all right.
Call Top Tech Electronics to repair your broken machines. We are here to get your home appliances working perfectly again, whether it's your TV, LED, 4K Ultra, Android, fridge, twin door, side-by-side, washing machine, front load, top load, semi-automatic, and AC, split and window. Accessories for televisions and washing machines, including TV wall mounts and washing machine stands, are also available here.